Welcome back to Trading with CJ. Let's talk about Shiba Inu. We've been speaking about this one for some time now, almost a month, okay? This one almost exploded 1 month ago, and of course we did see this shoot off those highs. However, it's pretty much been consolidating for the past few weeks now, but we're giving you all the updates regarding Shiba Inu nevertheless, keeping you informed. Whether you like this cryptocurrency, whether you're involved in it, whether you're just watching from the sidelines, it has been exciting and it's definitely interesting to follow. It's still up there, okay, with some of the most watched cryptocurrencies as well. So if you appreciate all these updates on this crypto, other cryptos and other videos and stocks on my channel, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe. That really is appreciated. It helps get these videos out there to more and more investors as well, and it really is helping me out. So anyway, let's get into this. As you guys know, I'm not a financial advisor. Please always do your own research before investing into the stock or crypto market. We have been seeing the crypto market somewhat a bit more consolidating as of late, but like I said, Shiba Inu, it really did have that run up around almost a month ago now. May the 6th time we started to see this one slowly start to run up and pretty much exploded, coming around like May the 8th, hitting its highs on May the 11th when we were speaking about this one. We was in full swing speaking about this one, okay? We're still giving you the updates, but you can see we was on a downward trend. However, pretty much since about May the 21st, about the last three weeks now, we are pretty much consolidating. Yeah, we have some big red days at 10%, 12%, but it's nothing in the grand scheme of things, considering we was having about 100+% days at one point in these cryptos. By the time of recording, we trade for 0.000008. Okay, so it hasn't moved massive amounts as of late anyway, but it does have a market cap still of about $3.5 billion right now, and we can see the historical data for how the volume has been moving on this one. It's been a bit all over the place, okay? Yesterday we had one of our lowest volumes in a long time, okay, 840 million in terms of the volumes. Day before that was about 1.1 billion and about 800 million the day before. So we're kind of considerably down now on the volume, okay? Less people are trading these right now. People may be moving into stocks. We know AMC, GameStop are going absolutely insane. These are speculative risky stocks, and these are speculative risky meme tokens or cryptos. So very much the market follows what is currently exploding. So people may have moved out of this one and gone into some of them, which is why we may be seeing some volume. However, every dog has its day, okay? And Shiba Inu had a massive day. Maybe it will get back there again, okay? Just like DogeCoin. It's volatile. The whole market is volatile, but Shiba Inu remains one of the most watched cryptocurrencies out there still. You can see it's still firmly in position number 3. Number 1 and 2 are new cryptos on the scene, Alaska and Jindo, but Shiba is still free, and it's actually knocked Bitcoin, because Bitcoin was up there at one point, okay, when we see the big old red movement. DogeCoin and SafeMoon are also considered to be down now, 7 and 8 right now. But yeah, Shiba is in number 3 and has a market cap of $3.5 billion. So despite being down on 24 hours, we are still up on the month, 430% in the last 30 days, okay, and we were up in the last week as well, around about 12% at this moment in time. And the transfers, when we first speaking about this one, they were pretty much every second. People were buying into Shiba every single second. You can see now it's less frequent, okay? Every few minutes. There's still a big purchase every few minutes, nevertheless. And the holders, though, the holders still remain pretty much as they were, okay? We've got a dead pile, and then we've got the 9% WOW, 6% WOWs as well. They pretty much still have that position, so they haven't sold out and made this one massively move. People are obsessed with burning these tokens, and people think that when you burn, it's going to make these prices shoot up crazy amounts. That isn't always the case. And we actually had a tweet from SHIB Informer, one of our favorite channels to follow. Okay, SHIB Informer. Some are obsessed with burning. Why burn SHIB? Burning does not mean the price will skyrocket or anything. Wait and give Shiba Swap's staking mechanism a chance, and consider that all tokens have owners now, and the team does not have a DeFi wallet to make any price impact. So people keep thinking burning is going to be a massive catalyst. It isn't. We may see small price action from people thinking it will, like when Vitalik burned that huge amount of tokens, okay, a little while ago now, which we covered in previous videos. But it's not the be-all end-all, okay? Shiba Swap is their platform, which we're waiting to come out. That's probably a much bigger catalyst right now in the short and medium term anyway. Shiba Swap platform is going to be big for this company, for this cryptocurrency. We've seen a lot of new additions over the course of the month from Shiba getting on some big listing and exchanges. But however, with every bit of positive news, there are a lot of haters out there, people that don't like this one, and that's fine, okay? With every person that likes a currency, somebody out there doesn't. And there's always different articles putting this out there, okay? You can actually see, this was a very bullish one about this one. Maker and Shiba Inu, two cryptocurrencies offering offering a potential upside. This was an article out today, okay? It talks about the correction and that, you know, this could be a good time to get in to Shiba Inu. For volatility junkies that thrive on the wide price variance, few markets in history has offered the head-spinning moves that the burgundy cryptocurrency asset class as of June the 2nd, okay, Bitcoin. Shiba has been absolutely exciting and thrilling. People who love a risk are in Shiba right now, okay? I have a small position myself. It is a small position. Please remember, if you're investing into these ones, invest what you can afford to lose, because, you know, with every good positive catalyst, we can see this shoot straight back down as well. It talks about after the correction, Shiba potentially jumping up. And then following that as well, there's another article from FX Street. Here is why Shiba Inu price might double in the following days. Okay, it talks about the price there. With potential technical price analysis points to an upside of 100% swing. We shall see. Okay, this is just people's opinions. These are some articles which you can read through at your leisure as well. Okay, there are people's opinions, but like I say, with every positive opinion, every positive article, somebody out there is not so bullish. They're more bearish on this one. This is one right here. Shiba Inu value could plunge while the DogeCoin rival is crashing. And this was a couple of days ago, and this talks about it potentially could go to zero, which we do have to point out. Okay, you have to understand the risk of these ones. It says Shiba has been crashing in the recent weeks, as well as compared to the price just 3 weeks ago on May the 10th, it's significantly lower. We're well aware. So is many cryptos out there lower than where there was on May the 10th. But it does say here, however, just because it is popular, it doesn't mean it's a good investment. Due to the popularity, there's potential for them to go higher. And we, of course, provide our clients with the ability to trade these meme tokens. But because their volatility tends to be much higher than the more established cryptocurrencies, the probability that their value could go to zero is greater in our view. Our clients gravitate towards more proven assets. And that's fine, okay? Most people should have more money in more stable assets. But a little bit of risk, a little bit of exposure, if you can handle it anyway, is not always a bad thing. It could make you crazy gains. We actually look at the Shiba Twitter page. Okay, they recently launched a Discord. They now have over 60,000 Discord members. If you want to get regular updates, they are very active on their Discord, just like they are on their Twitter feed. Not so much these days. We had a lot of updates of exchange after exchange, but they pretty much got all their main exchanges they wanted to get in the short term anyway. So from now on, we're waiting for the Shiba swap and maybe some other catalysts coming. But the Discord, 60,000 members, that's a great thing. And you can actually see they had another listing just a few days ago, to be fair, on Bitaza. Okay, another listing announcement there, Shiba Inu, okay, on Bitaza, and then another one as well following that on capital.com Global. We are happy to announce that a new CFD asset was added to our platform. Please welcome in Shiba Inu. So despite the crypto market crashing a little bit and not, you know, being as exciting as it was, people aren't gravitating to it as much. These are still bringing out exchanges and still bringing out good news. Just because the price is down doesn't mean the token is doing bad, okay? Not always the price has to reflect how good a token is. As exchanges are coming out, everything is going good in this company. Let's just see if it can continue to pick up some momentum in the coming weeks ahead. Like we say, it's still one of the most watched out there. Now, the last thing I want to touch on this, which is a really big bit of news actually, is this. The petition for Robinhood to list Shiba Inu crypto amongst change.org is one of the most popular, okay, the most popular one. We spoke about this one when it first came out. It had about 1,000 signatures when we first spoke about the Robinhood listing, and now we go onto it. We have almost 100,000 signatures. The 100,000 is when Robinhood have to give us an update on this, okay, talk about it. They don't have to list it, but nevertheless, they will have to review this. And you can see it at 150,000 signatures. This petition becomes the top sign on change.org, which is going to put it in pole position. Everybody's going to be aware of this. It's going to draw more and more investors and more attention into Shiba Inu as well. If it gets listed on Robinhood, you can bet right down that this is going to go up. Maybe not to those May 11th highs, but I'm sure we're going to see very nice green if it ever got listed on there. How far off are we on that? I'll let you decide. Let me know your thoughts on all of that as well down in the comments below. We're just providing you the updates on Shiba Inu. We've been following this one for quite some time. We're going to keep giving you updates. It's been about a month now almost since we started talking about Shiba, and you know, the excitement is still there. Maybe the price isn't where it was, but the excitement is still there nevertheless. People are still interested in this one, and a lot of people are still holding on to Shiba despite the price going down. But let me know your thoughts on Shiba down in the comments below, and if you want me to cover any other cryptos as well, let me know as well. Happy to do that. If you can smash the like and subscribe to my channel, that really is appreciated. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.